For years, we've chased the perfect flying machine, pro-level power that fits in a jacket pocket, cinema-grade footage without a pilot's license. The ceiling was always there, the sub-250-gram limit. But what if I told you that limit is about to be shattered? Forget the compromises. Forget choosing between portability and raw power. Because the leaks, the whispers, and the internal documents on the DJI Mini 6 Pro, they aren't just rumors. They are a complete, terrifying, game-changing rewrite of the drone playbook. For the next 30 minutes, we are going to dive so deep into this machine that you will see the future of aerial photography unfold before your eyes. We're covering the revolutionary new body, the rumored 6K camera, the unbelievable 40-minute flight time, and the feature that will make every other drone obsolete. Trust me, you will want to hear every single spec. Stay locked in. This is the DJI Mini 6 Pro. The golden rule of the mini drone world is simple: 249 grams. Stay below it, and you bypass most US and global registration rules. It's the ultimate design constraint. Somehow DJI has managed to pack a beast into this light body. The Mini 6 Pro's body is a masterwork of structural engineering. We're talking about a design that looks less like a drone and more like a sleek aerodynamic weapon. The fold-out arms are rumored to be thinner and stronger, using a new composite material that increases wind-resistant stability by a shocking 20% over the Mini 4 Pro. But the real magic is in the omnidirectional sensor placement. Look closely at the leaked blueprints. Those tiny nodules are full 360-degree obstacle avoidance sensors. No more blind spots. No more terrifying side flights. This isn't just safety, it's unlocking a level of cinematic movement previously impossible. Imagine a complex shot through a dense forest, knowing the drone will see and avoid every branch. This is the intelligence of a $3,000 flagship, distilled into a device that weighs less than a can of soda. This body holds the promise, but the true power lies in the lens. Keep listening because the camera specs are what will break the internet. The single greatest leap is rumored to be the camera system. If these leaks are true, DJI has crammed a 1-inch CMOS sensor into the sub-250-gram body. Let that sink in. The 1-inch sensor is the holy grail of compact imaging. It means an immediate, exponential jump in low-light performance, a richer dynamic range, and footage previously reserved for the much larger Mavic Pro series. You can finally shoot those incredible sunsets or capture city light without crushing shadows or grainy noise. But it gets better. The resolution is not just 4K, it's 6K Ultra HD video, 6000K. This is future-proofing. It gives professional creators the ability to crop, stabilize, reframe, and zoom into a 4K timeline without losing resolution. It is the definitive tool for creative freedom, all controlled by a rumored revolutionary gimbal that allows for an unprecedented 225 degrees of flexible rotation, enabling true vertical shooting and impossible low-angle movements. Your footage is about to look like it was captured by a dedicated Hollywood aerial team. But you can't capture those shots if you're constantly worried about the battery. You need the endurance, and the Mini 6 Pro is finally delivering. The Achilles heel of every mini drone to date has been battery life. 30 minutes was a good day. You spent more time calculating return to home than actually flying. The Mini 6 Pro promises to change the concept of a flight session. Leaks point to a new, high-density intelligent battery that pushes the flight time up to an astounding 40 minutes. 40 minutes. That's an extra 10 to 15 minutes of pure creative time. It's the difference between a solid clip and a career-defining sequence. You can execute a complex flight plan, circle back, and still have enough reserve to leisurely return home. But long flight time is useless if you lose signal 2 miles away. Enter DJI O5 transmission. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to introduce the next generation of DJI's rock-solid OcuSync technology. We are talking about potential range and signal stability that will redefine confidence in the air. Imagine flying out over 5, 6, or even 10 miles with a crystal clear, 1080p live feed coming straight back to your controller. No stutter, no dropout. This combination, the 40-minute battery and the unwavering O5 transmission, transforms the Mini 6 Pro from a hobby drone into a true professional workhorse. It's a necessary tool. But the real power of DJI is its intelligence. And the new AI features are the true magic trick. Don't go anywhere, because the next segment reveals the smartest drone ever built. The DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just an upgrade. It's an autonomous aerial videographer. The integration of its 360-degree obstacle sensing is fully utilized by the rumored ActiveTrack 360-der, and it is revolutionary. ActiveTrack used to be simple following. Now the drone is an editor and a director. Imagine you are hiking, running, or cycling. The Mini 6 Pro will not simply follow you. It will now intelligently orbit, frame, and transition its camera angle based on the environment and your speed. It can instantaneously transition from a profile shot to a reveal shot, creating a professional tracking sequence automatically. This means you press one button and the drone does the work of a highly skilled pilot. We're also hearing about an enhanced Master Shots 2.0 suite. The drone can now analyze the scene before the flight and suggest a series of dynamic, impossible-to-replicate shots, like a vertical rise through a valley, followed by a tight orbit of a structure. This is the promise: stunning, viral-worthy content without needing to master a joystick. The drone handles the complexity. Every piece of the puzzle was designed to support this level of autonomous intelligence. But now for the question on everyone's mind. When can I get my hands on it, and how much will it cost? Is the DJI Mini 6 Pro a reality or still a dream? As of today, the drone is not officially released. It is one of the most hotly anticipated pieces of upcoming tech. Based on DJI's product cycle and the volume of leaks, industry analysts are currently pointing to a potential official announcement in late 2025 or early 2026. The wait is agonizing, but necessary. Now for the price. This drone is competing directly with models that cost $1,500 and up. However, the Mini series has always been about accessibility. Leaks suggest the base model of the DJI Mini 6 Pro will fall in the range of $1,199 to $1,399 USD. Yes, that's a premium price for a mini drone. But this is a compact, ultra-portable professional camera system. This is the smallest and lightest drone capable of true 6K 1-inch sensor footage. This isn't an upgrade. It's an investment in the absolute pinnacle of ultra-light aerial technology. The value is undeniable. But before you decide, you need to hear the final, unbelievable advantage of this drone. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is not just another drone. It is DJI's statement that the laws of physics are merely suggestions. It's the unrivaled portability of a sub-250G body, combined with the unthinkable 6K 1-inch sensor camera, the stress-free 40-minute flight, and the 360-degree AI-powered intelligence. This is the device that professionals will carry in their backpack every single day. This is the drone that will finally make all of your older, heavier equipment feel archaic. For content creators, travel enthusiasts, and professionals, the Mini 6 Pro is the culmination of years of engineering pursuit. It is the tool that ensures that when you finally capture that epic moment, the quality is undeniable, the shot is stable, and the memory is preserved in stunning, future-proof 6K detail. The age of compromise is over. The Mini 6 Pro is coming. Are you ready to witness the impossible? The moment DJI officially announces this beast, we will have a full hands-on breakdown right here. So, hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Let us know in the comments. What is the single feature of the Mini 6 Pro you are most excited about?